Hey everybody, welcome to this week's Chesa Sneak Peek. We are back out here at Northwest River Park because we want to show off our disc golf course. Now if you didn't know, Northwest River Park has a great 18-hole disc golf course. It is $2 a person to play a game, or you can get a membership for only $20 for the entire year. We do have equipment on site that you can rent, or you can also purchase your own discs here at the park when you arrive. So please come on out and check out our great disc golf course here at Northwest River Park. And coming up this week in Chesapeake, we have the Farmers Market. This is going to be at City Hall's Marketplace Shelter on Wednesday from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. We also have that Farmers Market on Saturday from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the same location, and the Chesapeake Farmers Marketplace will be on Saturday morning outside of City Hall from 8 a.m. to noon. Saturday evening, come on out here to Northwest River Park for Fireside Chat. This will be from 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. Bring a camp chair and we will provide the marshmallows for you. And the youth soccer registration deadline is on Saturday. If your children are interested in signing up for that fall sport, make sure you get their information in so they don't miss that opportunity. We have a lot of stuff that will be coming up in Chesapeake in the next week or two. Wednesdays in the Wild with REI will be back on the Dismal Swamp Canal Trail. Their theme is going to be how to fix a flat bike tire, and this will be on August 7th. And then we have some camps and workshops for the kids. Art camp will be August 5th through 8th, cheer camp will be August 5th through 8th, and a youth painting workshop will be August 10th. That will be a beach theme at Great Bridge Community Center. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. We will see you next week.